My name is Kevin Sutter. I'm the founder and owner of GreenOkie, LLC, a business here in the business incubator at Moore Norman Technology. GreenOkie is a hardscape or outdoor provider of products and services, labor. We build pergolas primarily, but we also do outdoor fireplaces in stone, fire pits, outbuildings such as sheds or barns, and we also do various types of concrete staining and decorative concrete work. A pergola is a cedar, normally a cedar structure, somewhat like an arbor, only much larger. Sometimes has a lattice work or in some cases a roof. We put roofs on ours, which our customers are very pleased with. Blocks UV rays as well as makes them waterproof. Here at GreenOkie, of course, we're doing all things outdoor. One of our products that we have is a line of outdoor furniture, and so our office, which is fairly large, has two large L-shaped desks and affords us enough room to have a commercial sewing machine in there, and we do all of our own upholstery work for our outdoor furniture, and would like to expand that to maybe awnings or canvas covers for our furniture, as well as meet other needs that our customers may have outdoor. I guess what sets us apart from other companies is that our interface with the customer is probably different than most of the other hardscape designers and providers around, in that we follow through with our designs. We get back to the customer. We try to extract from them exactly what they want to experience in their backyard, and then bring that vision to them. And of course we can do that much better now with 3D CAD, but we always get back with them and take them by the hand through the whole process. So I think that sets us somewhat apart. The designs that we do with our pergolas are somewhat different than our competitors. We specialize in the large beams, and it takes special equipment and special skills to erect those pergolas with those beams that are so heavy, and it gives them a really massive look. And of course, here in Oklahoma, you never know, you could get an 80-mile-an-hour straight wind on any given day, and our products will still be there and still be standing for years and years and years to come. So that does set us apart. Previously, I was involved in healthcare companies and dealing with lots of federal regulation, state regulation, and insurance companies, and not having a lot of fun with it anymore. But I sold all those businesses and decided I wanted to do something different, and that's where Moore Norman Technology Center's business development program came into play for me. I moved here from Lawton about a year and a half ago. Was involved with the CETUS program at Cameron, which is also a business incubator, and was looking for something similar, and Googled and found the Moore Norman Business Development Center, and walked in here and talked with Mr. Keeson, and we started the negotiations from there as far as what type of business I was going to do and how it would all work here at the BDC. And just so happened that they had an opening where a client was leaving, and the timing couldn't have been more perfect. So after making a presentation to the board about what we were going to do at GreenOkie, I was accepted into the program in June of this year, and I can't even tell you at this point how many pergolas we have built already. We wanted to get into computer-aided design to set our business apart from other hardscape or outdoor type construction. So Moore Norman helped us obtain a grant from the Economic Development grant in Oklahoma to attend a computer-aided design class at Moore Norman. night school, and Jesse has excelled with that, and now all of our designs are on 3D CAD, and we can actually show our customers what their landscape feature is going to look like, and they can walk around it and look at it from on top and the side and what have you, and it just brings a whole new dimension to the professionalism of what we provide to our customers. We have our shop space, which is an overhead bay. It allows us to pre-construct a lot of our outdoor products, arbors or pergolas in the space, stain them even, and then take them out to the work site. It also gives us a flexibility in that we can bring our trucks into the bay and just lock them up for the night and not have to unload everything and start all over the next day. So the shop space is fantastic. It's heated and air conditioned, and we have all of our saws and drills and whatnot out there, and it's been very, very beneficial for us to have that space. Our short-term goals are to continue to increase our offerings as far as our services and products that we offer people, which are decks, fencing, pergolas, fire pits, outdoor fireplaces, and of course everything is custom designed. But we're going to continue our marketing efforts. Facebook has been very instrumental, and we do some Facebook advertising. Our return on investment for every dollar that we spend on Facebook has been returned many times over. It's probably well over 1,000%. So it's been pleasantly surprising. We have just recently hired another individual who has 26 years experience in the building trades, and we're hoping to again expand what products and services that we offer. So it's a constantly evolving process, as we are a brand new company. As far as long-term goals for the future, we would like to add other facets to the business. Again, GreenOkie strives to do all things green. Born and raised here in Oklahoma, traveled a lot internationally, and the opportunities in this state are just amazing. And I came back here to pursue that and help fellow Oklahomans by providing jobs for them. And what's so exciting is that we have Oklahomans working for Oklahomans at GreenOkie. We're using products and materials like Western red cedar, which at this point in time is a renewable resource. There's actually more Western red cedar today than there was in 1970 due to reforestation and the way that they're managing those forests and growing new trees. So that's an exciting thing to know that we're leaving a legacy for future generations. My passion is to help other like-minded people like me and that came from that background, didn't take the traditional college trip, if you will. So hiring these young people that choose that path in GreenOkie is really our main focus as far as the economic impact here with our business. And I think that the technology centers do such a good job training these individuals that it's just a natural progression for them to come to work for a company that has a passion for technology and this technology centers and the students that they produce.
My name is Jesse Stevens. I'm a full-time employee at GreenOkie. I attended the carpentry program my junior and senior year in high school, and I got the Career Tech Scholarship and went back for another year in carpentry. Well, I graduated in May, and shortly thereafter I got a call from GreenOkie, and Kevin was interested in hiring me. My background was in cabinet making and of course framing and everything else, but my interest was really in cabinet making. But after talking with Kevin, I decided this would be a fun deal to do, and been working with Kevin ever since. I enjoy working with the different customers. Each job is unique, and I enjoy the challenge of each individual job. I enjoy meeting the customers and finding out what their specific need is.
Our long-term goals are, of course, to grow this into a very large enterprise, which encompasses other green technologies like LED lighting, solar power, commercial and residential, and maybe even high efficiency heating and air conditioning systems. So as far as the long-term visions for GreenOkie, we could, and I can see us beyond the state of Oklahoma someday. So we have a big plan, big vision to grow, and we're growing as rapidly as we possibly can right now. Just being a client here at the Business Development Center has been beneficial in that just talking to some of the other clients that have been in business maybe a couple of years has been beneficial to find out some of their ideas and things that work for them, and we kind of network with each other a little bit, and it's been a very good experience to actually be located here on the premises. Although we will continue to be a client for a number of years after we leave the premises here, but that part of it has been very beneficial for us to have that resource right here.